Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominating DMT update. So 15-minute DMT, you can see we did take that sell trade. The indicator took the sell trade anyway. I've been working a short anyway, as I've mentioned to you guys. It did go about 2% offside, but then it's currently sat around 3% onside, got down to nearly 5%, 4.75-ish. So that was a great DMT trade. 25-minute Dominator. Dominator took a sell trade as well. It took a buy here, but you guys know that I was looking for short, so I wasn't going to take that buy. And then it actually took a short trade around here, which again went slightly offside. Zoom in here and show you. Oh, sorry. Right, so it took the short on this candle here. So it went about 1% offside, but then subsequently went nearly 4% offside, and currently it's about 2.5% onside. So that's great trade from there. Over to Ethereum, it's going to be similar price action on Ethereum. Took the sell trade on that move down there, as we saw yesterday, went up to about 2.5% and then down about 5%. So depending on how you managing your risk on that. Obviously Ethereum is more volatile, so you need to obviously be more careful with the prices that you so 20-minute here, thought I looked a bit wrong. 25-minute. So yeah, 25-minute Dominator, again it took a buy, but wouldn't have been a good trade, but we shouldn't be looking for buys in the current market at the moment. And then the sell, Dominator took a sell trade on this candle here. So that basically pretty much in a definite straight line, no offside at all there, went down about 6% and is currently sat about 2.5%. So yeah, some great trades there for you with DMT and Dominator on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Overall market structure and my non-bot trading has basically been going well, because you guys know I've just been shorting. So I'm out this short again now at around low 6,800s. But I mean, you guys know this is the 4th time I've shorted this now. So we didn't get as low as this low here. General stock market seem to be turning down, so that is pretty much did coincide with this move down in Bitcoin. So it will be interesting to see where stock markets go, and also where Bitcoin goes, and if it does follow stock markets, which I expect it would do. But we'll have to see. The halving is coming soon. Obviously we've had some crazy price action in the oil markets today, but yeah, markets generally though, today the market's definitely starting to feel a bit like we're going to have a bit of a turnaround, and start to work our way down a bit in the more traditional markets, or the traditional markets, which then will pretty much definitely drag Bitcoin with us, even if it maybe has a delay, drag Bitcoin down with it. But we'll see what happens there. I'll be looking to enter my shorts again. I don't necessarily want to hold them overnight. All I am a bit conscious of at the moment is that obviously stock markets get pumped at any time, because we have unlimited QE and President Pump on the helm of his Twitter, and so that could basically spark a rally in Bitcoin. And then the market is very bearish at the moment. Sentiment is very bearish, price action is very bearish, and I feel that we could definitely get a big green candle appear out of nowhere. Ultimately that could be a very good selling opportunity, but you don't want to sell it before it happens, if it happens, put it that way. So anyway, so thanks for listening guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I'll speak to you guys soon.